What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tommy Guns, and we are back. Finally, we at the range, and I'm going to show you guys this brand new, well, not brand new like released on the market, but new to me, open reflex sight from Gowutar. I hope I'm saying that right. Gowutar 6 MOA red dot. Now this is the RMR compatible. When I show y'all the viewing window on this red dot, it's, oh my God. I think it's like the biggest viewing window size red dot that I own. And I do have another one that I'm going to show it to you in comparison size. So first things first, let's get the features. We got shockproof, waterproof, the shake awake technology. I have tested it. It does work. They throw in a battery, some screws, lens cloth, user manual, normal books and shit. Then we got on this side, large viewing window for fast target acquisition and a large view. I'm telling you, when I show it to you, you're gonna be like, damn, that is big. All right, got the box. Again, you got the cover. Let's get this out of here. You can pick this up on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Or you can go directly to these guys' website. That's GowutarTactical.com. Thank you, Gowutar, for sending this out to me, by the way. Got the lid. We got the foam. We got some screws in here. A Gowutar 3M sticker that will be going on the safe. The lens cloth as well. The instructions manuals. And then it did come with a... what you call it, the little tool to adjust the sights. Now, I'm gonna go put this over here. I'm not gonna throw this because I don't wanna lose all the shit that's in there. Now we back in. Look at the size of this right now. Now we are, as you can see, we are at the range. I do have some targets that's already set up. I am gonna go ahead and clear this. There's some in the mag, of course, because we at the range. We just shoot. And I didn't say this, but it is cold as hell out here. This brought back memories, my Army days when we used to go to the range and used to be cold as hell, especially when I was stationed in Alaska, man. Sometimes I used to be like, bro, what are we doing out here, man? But nevertheless, look at the size. First of all, here we go. The Gowutar GP-9. It looks really nice. I decided to go ahead for today's video. I wanted to mount this on my trusty Dusty, my Glock 45 MOS. It looks really nice. Sits up there. Look at the size of that. I mean, huge. It do have these ridges that's right here on, the front side. So if you want it, if you're one of those guys that, I've never done that before. I mean, that was actually my first time doing that. If you're one of those guys that like to rack your slide back with your optics, and hey, they made some for you. But like I said, this is the Gowutar GP-9, and I mean, dude, look at that big. That's a big window, man. That's a big window. Now, I already sighted it in. Let's go ahead and get some rounds downrange. Let's get loaded up. I mean, this is practically cheating, man. We might have to go back to like 25 yards because this viewing window is just so big, dude. Like you can. I think we got another mag, man. This should be cheating. Now, let's test and see. Is she loose? There's a bit of a wiggle, but I don't know. Let me see. Now let's see. No, she sits pretty flush. I just want you guys to see, man, the size of that viewing window. It's practically cheating. It's cheating. And for the price, I believe it's listed on Amazon as it was either $149 or $159 for the price. And this big old huge window, I don't think you can beat it, man. I don't think you can beat it. Let's compare it. Let me show you something. Now, just for size comparison, because I told you guys I was going to show you guys, this is my biggest red dot that I have within a view like this. So we got Mr. Go Off by itself here. And right here on top, I have a, God, I think it's a SIG. I think it's a Romeo Pro 1 or 1 Pro Romeo, whatever, how it goes. But you know what I'm talking about. Look how, now I think this was like 250 bucks, 200, whatever. But look, okay, this is the viewing window for the GP-9, the Gowutar GP-9, huge viewing window. And then the window, I love this red dot too, pretty accurate red dot. That's a big window, man. That is a big window. No, the firearm is not pointed at me too. It's pointed away. Don't have a mag. There's nothing in the chamber up top. Look at the size. Look at the size of that, man. Big hole. Big window. Okay. You know what? Since it's got a big window, let's push back from 15 yards. We are currently at 30 yards. I want to see if the big window will pay off. That's cheating, man. That's practically cheating. Gowutar, you might be on to something with this big old viewing window. Yabba dabba doo. We're still rocking with the big Gowutar red dot. Let's put it to the test, man. Let's shoot some steel, man. Okay. Let's step back. That's steel, man. That's steel. That's shrapnel. It ain't no joke, man. Okay, so I'm hitting those. I'm hitting them. But it's not going back, man. And I already know. Don't jump in that comment section and get it going. But I promise you, I'm hitting them, man. Can y'all even see? Yeah, y'all can see. I'm hitting them. I'm telling you. I might have to give this a shot. I don't know. I'm going to do more testing. But I'm going to do more testing on this big Gowutar. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for this video. Peace.